Welcome to our channel. We are Technic Force and we help grow your business online.
Please hit the subscribe button to get more updates.
How to put thumbnails on your TikTok clips. Big news for TikTok creators. With TikTok adding the capacity to upload custom thumbnail images for your clips, so you can create your own still image thumbnails in other apps like CapCut that upload them to be your cover image. The option could help you grab attention in search and on your profile with more standout visuals that will lure people in. Thumbnails are indeed important for this purpose. YouTube star Mr. Beast has famously claimed to spend a heap of time on thumbnail creation in order to maximize viewership, paying on average around $10,000 per thumbnail for his clips and generating up to 20 thumbnail variations for each upload. Wow, that's crazy. I mean, you probably don't need to go that far, but it does underline the value that top creators see in their thumbnails and their capacity to draw a bigger audience to their work. Now let's see how to put thumbnails on your TikTok clips. First, open TikTok app on your mobile device and log in when it's required. Once you log in, locate the plus button at the bottom center of your TikTok home screen and tap on it. This will take you to the video making interface. Next, start recording a new video. Click the red button located at the center of your screen, or just upload from your photos or gallery by clicking here, depending on your preference. TikTok includes various creative tools and options to enhance your video. You can easily apply filters, add special effects, adjust video speeds, attach overlay text, and then start recording. Once the recording is completed, tap the check mark button, which will take you to the next screen. Here you will get options to post the video to your story or tap next to proceed. Clicking the next button will take you to the posting page where you can enter captions, hashtags, tag people, add location, and change the thumbnail. Next, TikTok automatically generates a thumbnail for your video, but you can change it by tapping the Edit Cover option. The Edit Cover option is located in the top right corner of the screen. After tapping the Edit Cover option, you will be able to change the thumbnail from your video recording. Select a thumbnail from the options provided, or use the new feature, which is this upload option right here at the right side. Click on it and choose a custom thumbnail from your gallery and position it as desired. Next, down here, you can add different types of text with effects in your thumbnail. After finalizing the thumbnail, tap the Save option in the top right corner. Now you can review your video details. When you're ready, tap the Post button to publish your video with your selected thumbnail. And that's it. TikTok has certain guidelines and restrictions in place to ensure the thumbnail remains appropriate and aligned with community standards. Here are a few things to keep in mind. Content guidelines. The chosen thumbnail should follow TikTok's content guidelines, which prohibit explicit or inappropriate content, violence, nudity, hate speech, and other prohibited content. Clear and relevant. The frame you select as a thumbnail should accurately represent the content of your video. It should be clear, visually appealing, and relevant to the video to attract viewers. Non-misleading. Avoid using clickbait thumbnails that could mislead or deceive viewers. The thumbnail should provide a fair and accurate representation of the video's content. By selecting a thumbnail that adheres to these guidelines, you can ensure your video is presented appropriately to the TikTok community. Also, there are a few general recommendations to keep in mind. TikTok videos typically have 9:16 aspect ratio, so it is advisable to choose a thumbnail frame that matches this aspect ratio. This ensures that a thumbnail is properly displayed on user screens. Clarity and visibility. Select a thumbnail frame that is clear, visually appealing, and easily identifiable. Avoid choosing frames that are blurry or have poor visibility, as this may discourage viewers from engaging with your video. File size. While there is no specific file size requirement, it is generally recommended to keep the thumbnail file size small to optimize video loading times and minimize bandwidth usage. Format. TikTok supports various image file formats, including JPG and PNG. Ensure that your selected thumbnail is saved in a compatible format. By considering these recommendations, you can choose a thumbnail that enhances the visibility and attractiveness of your video. Here are some tips for choosing a thumbnail that stands out on TikTok. Highlight the key moment. Choose a thumbnail that captures an exciting or intriguing moment from your video. It could be a dynamic pose, an expressive facial expression, or a visually engaging scene. Use vibrant colors. Bold and vibrant colors can make your thumbnail stand out in the sea of content. Consider text overlay. Adding text overlay to your thumbnail can help convey the main theme or message of your video. However, keep the text minimal, concise, and easy to read. Use attention-grabbing fonts and colors that complement the overall aesthetic of your video. Test and analyze. Don't be afraid to try different thumbnail options for your videos. Use TikTok analytics to analyze the performance of your videos with different thumbnails. Pay attention to metrics like views, likes, shares, and comments to understand which thumbnails are resonating the most with your audience. Experiment with these tips and find a style that aligns with your content and grabs your audience's attention. With the new TikTok feature, TikTok is effectively following the lead of Reels in this respect, which already has custom thumbnail editing, while YouTube is still developing a variation of the same for Shorts. It could be a big addition. But then again, as most people are going to come across your TikTok clips within the main feed, it might not have as big of an impact as thumbnails can have on YouTube. The only way to know is to try it out for yourself and monitor your engagement stats. Before we end this video, let me introduce to you Pixci from Technique Force. Let AI take over your photo editing. Bye-bye hard work and Photoshop. Create illustrations, photos, ads, logos, and more with the world's best AIs. 100s of ready-made workflows. Forget prompts. Just click and generate. 10 plus AI models, exclusive and secret AIs included. Generate high-quality images with just a click. Create and edit photographs, illustrations, posters, signs, logos, ads, thumbnails, and anything else you can imagine with exclusive high-quality AI models. Unleash the creative imagination of AI at your command. Generative AI is incredibly powerful, but it's hard to harness the true power all by yourself. Being a prompt engineer or expert is a task that requires serious study. Don't bother, Pixci does it for you. Create beautiful logos, banners, signs, and other advertising graphics easily. Need graphics for social media that stand out? Pixci makes it easy to create them. Create logos, banners, signs, and any other graphic you want in a matter of minutes. You just apply the name. Huge ready-made prompt and workflows library. Download in the size you want. Pixci supports high-resolution images. You can use them in your social media graphics, videos, or even print. Download the images in the size you want and use them anywhere. Remove backgrounds from any image. Want to remove backgrounds from your image? Do it in seconds with Pixci. Don't need to use Photoshop or any expensive app. Upscale images and restore photographs. Got a low-resolution image? Pixci can upscale it and make it high resolution. Not just that, it can fix and restore old speckled and discolored photographs to make them brand new and fresh. 150 plus ready workloads. Click and create easy. No need to be a prompt magician. Pixci is your magic. Perfect AI calibration and control. Upload any image and rework it. Use every top image AI. Use them all. Searchable repository of your images. Get access to hidden and open source AIs. Get uncensored AI generators. And a lot more. Get the Pixci power to create the AI images that go beyond anything you've done so far. Choose where you want your business to be. Choose Pixci. So what are you waiting for? Get Pixci now. Just go to getpixci.in. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and ring that notification bell. And if you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.